Chiropractic adjustment is not a one-time deal. Remember, you're setting yourself up to fail if you think it's and act like it's a one-time deal, because here's the statistics. 33% of the time, patients feel better on the first adjustment. What does that mean? That means 2/3 of the time they don't. So don't expect them to feel better on one particular adjustment. And they usually need several adjustments to start getting some movement in there, just like a rusted hinge or something. Initially, it's a little more difficult. There's a little more spasm and tension, and you got to go. So, it's a process. It is not, wham, you're done and everything's fine. And, that's not chiropractic.